This section we will illustrate the AB operation. In AB mode, there's no need to plan the plot in advance. This operation can be started quickly. This mode is suitable for square, trapezoid, triangle, and other plots. Turn on the remote control and the drone power in turn. Add pesticide and tighten the lid of pesticide tank. Click Start. Choose AB. Enter parameter settings. Accuracy spraying is recommended. For pump mode, for channel, high efficiency is recommended. Acreage dosage should be settled according to actual needs. Operation spacing of 6-8 meters is best. The faster the flight, the more efficient the operation. Click Sure. Unlock and take off. Fly the drone to the plot boundaries. Mark a point. Adjust the A angle. Align the auxiliary line with the edge of the plot. Click Sure to complete the angle adjustment. Return the drone nose to action, making sure the drone nose facing the operation to action. Push forward the stick to fly the drone to the other side of plot. Reach plottage mark B. If the 2 points AB are not in the right place, click the back icon to delete them and then remark. Click Adjust B angle. Align the auxiliary line with the edge of the plot. Note that if the angle of point A and B is too large or too small, the route cannot be generated. Click Sure. Return the nose direction. Click Reverse to adjust the route direction according to actual situation. Click Execute to enter self-check before operation. Slide right to start operation. When the distance of plot boundaries is shortened, we can push the stick towards the opposite direction of the flight to shorten the route. When the distance of plot boundaries is lengthened, we can push the stick towards the flight direction. After reaching the boundary, release the stick to extend the route. Click and AB to view the operation report.